guys, and welcome back to another magical video. So we're gonna eat some yummy pastries and test out this tea. I wonder how this is gonna taste, guys. It's the witch's sight from the witch's moon. I've always seen all these people like get the tea from them in the past, like last year's videos of them, and I've never gotten tea, so I'm so excited to try it out. Ooh, the tea's hot. It feels like a light tea, guys. I feel like the ones you get from the store are like really strong and heavy. This one's a little bit more light and calming. This is a good tea. I'd recommend getting this to use it when you like gonna do your ritual and stuff. I think it's good. And then we got ourselves a big cream cheese muffin. Let's try this baby out. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. I hope this is good. That's good. I haven't done a mukbang in like 6 years. Here we go. 6 months, resurrected. This is good, guys. The tea with the muffin. A little snack before your ritual. This is perfect. This is a really good muffin, guys. Muffin is so good. If you have the tea with a snack or like a breakfast, you're all set. And I made like half of the tea in here, guys, like the dry stuff, and then I have another half to use for another time, which is really awesome. You have like 2 servings, or you can make like 1 big pot of tea with it. Let's try a little chocolate chip cookie. I'm just dropping everything right now. Dip it in the tea. It's just one of those thin cookies that are like cooked. These are so good to dip and stuff. This is good. This is so yummy, guys. I should have done a thumbnail of me right here holding everything. Everything is yummy. I'm gonna enjoy my little snack. And then we could go ahead and I'm gonna test out one of the spells from them and see how I feel after drinking the tea and what kind of magic I can create. I think the chamomile in that tea, guys, is what makes me feel so calm and relaxed. I love it. And my Russian sage plant is finally growing some of the flowers, so that's really nice that the flowers are finally growing. My plant's doing its thing. My mom's sage plant is still doing good. Got my little Shiva lingam from Sage Goddess down here. I love it. Trimmed Zoe the other week when it was Luna Sad Lama. She was kind of dying, so had to cut my little plant, harvest it. And yeah, my plants are doing its thing. We moved some to the front because they were just too hot out on the deck, guys. And we had to pop them in a spot that wasn't too harsh for them in the sunlight. And I got my little sage plant over here that's growing and doing its thing. And we got me that trailing rosemary plant going on still. And yeah, the tea's really good and calming. Finished my grub. And just enjoying my little mountain view. It's so relaxing out here, guys. It's not even focusing. It's so beautiful out today. And yeah, I need to go inside, get my little ritual on, and show you guys how I feel doing my magic. So I know a lot of you guys want to see me do more magical videos, and you want to see all that good stuff, so that's what I'm doing today. We tested the witch's moon's tea, so we're gonna go ahead now and do a little ritual. I'm doing a little spell that they sent me too, guys, and I would show it to you, but I don't want to like give away their spell because you have to pay for the moon box, and it's from their own book of shadows, and it's kind of like their magic that they're selling, and I don't want to just give it away for free. So I am gonna not recite, I'm gonna do the spell and stuff, and I'm just gonna like have the camera record so you guys can just see me in my natural element, doing my magic, you know, and see how I feel like with drinking their tea and doing my magic, because I haven't drank tea in a while and have done Magic at the same time, so let's go ahead and get this going. It's kind of cool, my bed's here and then my altar is doing its thing over here. So I got the spell, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my thing, guys. I just did my little spell, guys, and honestly, like, my review, I just like show the cute little stuff from the Witch's Moon box, but like, I feel the magic in the tea. It just feels nice, calming, and peaceful. It's like a peaceful cleanse. It's relaxing and fun to eat a little treat with it. And just like reading their spell, guys, like, I'm getting goosebumps. I feel the magic and the spell doing its thing. The tea's like great, guys. It's nothing like too crazy strong. It wasn't like a strong crazy tea. It was like nice and calming, and it felt good. Like, I feel like some teas I buy from the grocery store, they're just so strong and they're like just like not all that. But this tea was nice, it was light, and the spell was amazing. I loved it. I love how much candle I have to like do my magic throughout this harvest season. My little witchy cat in the corner. I honestly am just having so much fun with their products, guys. I just love it for my magic and my practice, and I'm having fun. I'm gonna go ahead and do some more magic with my other little abundance spell in the corner too. And do you guys see this magical energy? Like, what? Oh my gosh. My magic, my spell's definitely working. My cat was just in this corner, and then I pop my phone to try to snap a pic of her. Then I get all this beautiful divine energy. I love you, Ascended Masters. Blessed be. Hi, Maleficent. You're just being all cute in the corner watching me do my magic. My sweet little cat. Hi, Maleficent. You're so cute. She's just chilling in the corner, guys, watching me do my little magic. Love you. My sweet little cat. So pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little magical video with me. I finished doing my little manifestation spell in the corner like you guys saw in my Lamos video. I have like all my manifestation, fiery energy crystals in that corner with my little spell candle. I'm still working on that magic, and then I went over here and I went ahead and did that new spell from the Guarded Harvest moon box. I loved it so much, guys. So I just got my little altar over here with Goddess Nyx and went ahead, did that little spell, and oh my god, I have so much candle left. And this is also the color for the element of air, so if I'm working with any air magic, guys, I have my element of air candle, and it's perfect. I'm so happy. I enjoyed this so much, guys. I hope you did too. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Can we also talk about my necklaces, guys? I got this from their Witch's Moon box and this one from their Witch's Bounty box, which is the Aqua Aura Quartz, and they just pair so good together, that like moon energy. I just love it. It's amazing. Definitely check them out down below, guys.